And we actually have a lot of SCADA customers actually continue to upgrade again and again and again until today. So we are talking about the same kind of applications from like 20 years ago, and you go through all the technology updates, you go through all the SQL updates, even until today, it actually serves all the things that we talk about, cloud, we talk about cybersecurity. So I guess this is something that is very exciting. We actually grow together with Aviva as a distributor. We actually grow so much from a small little two-man company to today we have about 20 men. We grow so much in terms of a working relationships, working with the customers, the professionalism that we actually learn, and there's so much, and we actually expect that so much more better that we can actually move forwards to actually share, to give to the customers.